Carla, we've had so many sleepovers, we've never played truth or dare.
Okay, truth or dare?
Give me a dare.
Video time a friend. Video time. Okay. Video call a friend, but act like they called you.
Okay.
Hey, Tosh.
Hi, Coco.
Oh, you look so cute.
Oh, thank you. I love your dress. But you called?
Is that? Yeah. Oh no. Did I call you? I thought you.
You just called me right now.
Oh shoot. Sorry. I didn't mean to.
No.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, I'm joking. We're literally playing truth or dare. Look, Carla's right here. Now your turn. Truth or dare?
Let's switch it up and maybe do a truth.
Worst first date ick.
If your breath smells. Also, if you like talk too much about yourself. There was one first date I went on and this guy tried to sell me life insurance.
No,
It was
stop.
specifically to sell me on life insurance.
No.
Didn't walk away, but I probably should have now that I think about it in my 30s. I'm like, I probably should have gotten the life insurance. Truth or dare?
Let's go with the truth.
Okay, truth.
Hit me with it.
Most embarrassing moment.
Nobody was there to witness it. I was home alone and I had just made a cup of green tea. Put the green tea down. I was on the phone, distracted, and I blew out the candle that was next to it. And I just grabbed a hot item and then I drank it. And I drank hot wax. And I literally was like, oh, your turn, truth or dare?
I'll do dare since I did truth last, but should we wait for
Yeah.
this to go out?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we can't sip that. What?
Okay, we're done.
There you go. There you go.
Show us your most recent combo on your dating profile.
This is unhinged, am I right? Oh, look, Chad said, hey, happy match. I just moved to LA. What's your favorite chill spot in town?
Ooh.
Anyways, now that you've seen my dating profile, there's nothing new there. Truth or dare?
Hit me with a dare. Oh no, I'm nervous.
And if I showed you my dating profile,
Oh.
you gotta do this one. Accidentally butt dial your first significant other.
I don't know if I can do that.
For the plot, for the plot. What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna throw up.
You think he's like tripping out, like, why is she calling me?
The person you're trying to reach is not available.
He texted you. I'm just kidding. I think I'll do a truth since I
Okay.
just did a da.
God, why am I so nervous?
You just unlocked a chain of events. He's probably gonna call you later.
No, please don't. Please don't. Okay, what's the best first date you've been on?
We went to dinner and then he takes me to this peak where you could see all of like the Bay Area and you see all the lights.
Cute.
Actually, that's kind of romantic when you think about
Yeah.
it. He stood us up on like the picnic tables, literally started slow dancing. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it started raining. It
That's
was
like a
giving
rom-com.
novel, yeah. And I still walked away like, I don't think this is gonna work for me.
Oh my gosh.
That's how I know I'm just gonna be single for life. So
Where is he now?
let's call him. Truth, who's the most famous person that's DM'd you?
Honestly, it was with you. J-Lo.
I like that.
Yeah.
Fun. Hello, J-Lo.
We love you.
Fun fact, when I posted a video of my niece,
This is my favorite story.
Gwen Stefani just
It was so
Gwen
good.
Stefani just said hi. I was like, hey girl.
Show us a photo during your worst makeup stage.
It's a really long time ago.
Okay,
It's been a
that's okay.
long time since I've been ugly.
You really have to like dig deep because I don't believe it, Carla.
This. It's the thin brows, it's the lip, it's the hair.
The ombre brow matches the ombre hair though.
Yeah,
Give yourself
like-
that.
But yeah, I had braces at the time. I was missing teeth like here and here, the brows.
The brows, you
Yeah.
know. I thought I was a pop star and I was like, this is incredible.
We all
And,
had our
like,
time, you
Look at that
know?
highlight on the lip.
Why were we the same girl in different fonts? Middle part.
It's a humbling experience.
It's a humbling
when
experience. I look back and
when we
think,
look back
wow.
and we're like, wow. I know we work for Sephora and like makeup is life.
Yeah.
But I think you're stunning when you just have skincare
And the same to
and
you,
like
your,
and
your
hair.
skin is just
like
skinning.
it's beautiful.
Girlhood.
Yeah. No, I'm serious
Girl,
though.
thank
Like
you.
yeah. But I love your makeup though.
The truths and dares.
And more dares.
Hoping our exes call us back.
No, please don't. Please don't.
And I dare you to text him back like, yeah, I was just reminiscing on old times.